How to hide members in a WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your WhatsApp on a device. Now log in into your account. Now the first step is create a group. Now the first step is create a WhatsApp group. Tap on the plus icon. Now click on new group. Now select the members and tap on next. Now enter the group name. Again tap on next. Now simply go back. Now tap on communities. Now tap on create community and tap on get started. Now enter the community name and tap on next. Now click on add group. Now click on add existing groups. Now select the group and tap on next. Now tap on group visibility and select hidden. Now tap on OK. Now go back. Now on this community, people cannot see the members except for admins. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.